are on our way to another adventure, my people. What's up? And we are making our way to St. Thomas. We don't know about St. Thomas, my people. That's where the great Paul Bodle come from, and that's where they hang him. Anyway, we're on our way, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere. This is another epic video.
Yep, Paul Bodle is from St. Thomas. I think he was a deacon, and Paul Bodle Rebellion right inside Moran Bay Square. And St. Thomas is furthest to the east side of Jamaica. Yeah, so the Jamaica themselves from Moran Point to Nigel Point. That's basically Jamaica, so we're going that side today.
And you know we're gonna stop out the Moran Bay. Oh, that's where they hang him, right? Right, babes, we'll stop right out there, so guys, and should give you a look at here. So sorry about that, I just wanted to catch something.
No problem, man. So this is us going again once more to have a wonderful time, and this is how we do it. Yep, showing you the beautiful island of Jamaica. Not just beaches but river. Yeah, man, how we say Jamaica nice.
Alright, so yeah, my people, stick and stay with us. You know we have the goodies them to show you, so yeah, man, and eat that.
Ready?
We are on our way to St. Thomas, guys, and you know, from see the nice views them, you know, I have to just show you guys, right, the nice sceneries, and this is one. Lovely.
Jamaica have a lot of hills and valleys. Once you reach St. Catherine, you have the plain, St. Catherine and Clarendon, you have the level. But apart from that, Kingston not so bad. We have some section in Kingston, St. Andrew, that is very hilly. But
This is
it for Jamaica.
This is it, my people.
Yeah. And this is the new road to St. Thomas. St. Thomas gonna lead you, my people. Once upon a time, you have to go through the hills and the valley, windy road. But new road.
None of that. No more of that.
So traveling to and from, very easy, convenient. Have a lot of sun. Still working, but still can utilize the road because it's ready. So the guys working on side on the hill. Yeah. Hard work. So the other side, baby.
It's the same thing.
Yeah, how can you see us?
Yeah, it is the same thing.
Welcome to Jamra. This is Jamaica, my Jamaica, the land of my birth. How are you born?
Jamaica.
Put in the chat where you're born. Jamaica where you're born. And you're so nice.
Can you imagine not to be born in the Caribbean?
No.
Oh my gosh. So type in the chat, people, tell me where no born, where no been there.
Yep.
Hey guys, our journey today will take us to St. Thomas. So sit back, relax, and just let your hair down and enjoy all of these beautiful scenic views that I have to show you. Alright? Yes guys, so just come sit back and relax and enjoy these beautiful scenery that I have to show you. This is so lovely. Lovely scenery. And you know, I'm not going to miss out on nothing. Yeah man. lot of scenery. Beautiful, beautiful scenery. Yes, my people. So we are in Yalas St. Thomas, and I make a little stop right out here at Yalas Pond, and there is a story behind this Yalas Pond here. I don't know much, but my husband is right over here. He will give you the little history about this pond here. So you guys know, say him always they ahead of me, because you know me have to stop and I do little, I catch a little scenery for you guys. So this is the pond.
Yeah, let's show them as far as the eye can see.
Oh Lord, so this is it.
From east to the other side.
Wow.
All the way down.
Oh.
All of this was land owned by one man. Die and give it to his sons and daughter inheritance. So you know, Finisty, after that time they start to fight, get left. Hence, they start to kill them one another. Uncle start coming, brother start coming, cousin start coming, everybody start coming fight for the land. But guess what? One morning they wake up and this is the result of it. All the land turned into water. All the land turned into water. This was a beautiful flat land, but because the killing of the family over the land just turned back to water. Water take its course. So hence they call it the Yalas
Pond.
Yeah. A lot of life lost for this land.
Wow.
Yeah. Inheritance. People work for no one. They wait for dead left.
But that is what always happen, you know.
Yeah, man.
Father dead left a house, and mother dead left house, picnic come and fight over house. Oh my God.
So that is the history behind the Yalas Pond. Father dead left land. Picnic family, everybody come in and start to fight for the land. Hence the land it turned into water. Yeah. So that is it.
That is it.
Sad news, but it is what it is.
Yeah.
Right.
So now
going on further.
So we are out and we are gonna move on to our journey. Alright, but I don't know where I stop and go and look, showing a little scenery and giving a little history of St. Thomas. Yeah, man.
Baby, why you going so close to the pond? You know what's life that piece of land take? I don't want to take your life, you know. Anyway, my people. Anyway, this is the great Yalas Pond.
This is it.
Yes. And if you notice, it's not the sea. The sea normally blue, it's brown, and nobody fishing in it. Nothing like that. Not a thing like that.
No fish is inside of it.
No fish inside of it.
Whoa.
Yeah.
It's just a pond of, it's just water.
Body of water surrounded by land, so they just call it pond.
Whoa. This is what fighting over land bring. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
See? Land there, land right around.
That's the pond, my people.
Nobody fishing in it. Nobody do anything in it.
You can't swim in it. You can't fish in it. You can't do nothing in it. It is just
a body of water.
Wow. That is sad though. Beautiful scenery, my people. Just sucked in all of that view. Let me zoom in on that. Would you swim here? Just the sea. This view is really, really nice, guys.
Go further.
Wow. Whoa. I would swim in that now.
Yeah, can't swim.
Wow.
Can't swim.
I would swim in that any day, anytime. Wow.
White horses.
We are entering White Horses. The beauty of this sea is something else. So we are still in White Horses district, my people, and there's a little story. My husband, he has a friend that know a lot of these stories. So I guess that's how he know it, or I don't know if his grandmother, that's how he knows it. How you know it, babes? But
It was told in the 1970s thereabout. It's not a story now. It is a real thing. So one of the things that St. Thomas is famous for is science. We call him over here Phobia Man. There was a gentleman had a case in the court in Kingston, and he wanted to get off of the case and come check the Phobia Man in St. Thomas, White Horses. And the White Horses sent a calf with a junk up on it in Kingston looking for Mr. Brown. And he was going up and down in the street of Kingston asking, has anybody seen Mr. Brown? Has anybody seen Mr. Brown? Not only that, he sent a frog with a padlock on his mouth, indicating to the witness them that look here, when if you shut on the mouth, not if you not shut on the mouth, you know what going to come next. So the padlock and the frog mouth is just a shut your mouth. But this is what one of the things that St. Thomas is famous for. Science, a lot of science. Yep.
wow.
So here was St. Thomas, you say I got St. Thomas, and say I got go Phobia.
Oh.
Yeah, man. So that's it, St. Thomas.
Wow.
We have a wonderful waterfall down here, come out of the rock also. Remember it?
Yes, I do. Can we stop to let them just see it?
Yeah, but we need to come off the road.
Oh. So here it is, my people. So this is it, my people. Giving you a close look, a close view. And now it's bunch of people bathe over here. I would bathe over here too. Wow, the water is so wonderful. Whoa. Water coming out of the rock, my people.
Water is very, 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 very cold.
Whoa. If I had enough slippers, I would just go and put my hand in it.
A lot of people have bath right here.
Right here.
Notice the baby soap? You didn't show them?
Whoa! I'm gonna show, guys. I'm gonna show you the bath soap. I am going to show you the bath soap.
And right there's a seat.
Huh?
Well, a seat right there, and the water run down in your head.
Right in your. Whoa! We're gonna have to do this another day.
Yeah. You can even look there, see bath soap.
Bath soap. Oh, there's a bath soap, my feet. Wow. This is really lovely. Bath soap again.
Hello?
My husband keeps walking and picking out the bath soap, don't show the people I'm going to another bath soap. That is just the proof here that a lot of persons stop out here and get a nice bath. This is the bath soap again.
And I make clear to go down there.
Right.
Preparation. St. Thomas do a lot of farming. One of the farming that they do is water jelly coconut. That's what you see right here.
A lot.
A lot of water jelly coconut. Some of people, you see how tall those trees are? And that's the tree that I have to climb to get the water jelly from my wife.
Oh, whatever.
A lot of ackee and a lot of breadfruit. Also in St. Thomas. Yes, my people. This was once the Goodyear tire place in St. Thomas. Don't know what they're doing over there now, but it was famous. Goodyear. St. Thomas used to make tire. No longer in existence, so they're doing something wonderful over there. Any construction bring money in Jamaica. No longer there.
Morant Bay, my people, Morant Bay. So we are heading into Morant Bay town, and this is a famous town, my people, Morant Bay. So my husband going to give you the history behind this Morant Bay town here. So we are still in Morant Bay town, my people. Street is busy, buzzing.
Let me get to the place now.
So this is originally where the Paul Bogle statue
used to be, but apparently it was damaged, so they take it down for repair.
Right, so
Right.
it is presently downtown.
So we are in the middle of Paul Bogle Square in Morant Bay, St. Thomas.
St. Thomas. So sadly, I'm not seeing it.
The statue is not here, but the sign with his name is still there. But this is where the war began between Paul Bogle and his man. So that is the square, the sign is there. I think the old building across there was a courthouse.
This is the square. Oh, up there?
It was a courthouse. Where they try the case and decide
Alright,
to
let me
hang
show
him.
you guys the courthouse. Let me just turn the camera. So that was the courthouse.
Yeah, where they try the case and decide to hang him.
Ooh.
Right. So that this is just another history of Jamaica. One of our hero.
One of our national heroes.
Fight for our freedom.
Paul Bogle. The square, what happened at the square? The rebellion and all them some of them.
Yeah man, they decided to fight for their rights. They march from I think it's Stony Gut, come all the way down here. Stony Gut is way on the other side of St. Thomas. And they come right into the square and then fight and fight until they capture the leader because you know once you decide to kill anything, you kill the root. And Paul Bogle was the strength of the Maroon, one of the Maroon group. So hence they get rid of him. But eventually we get what we want.
So my husband giving you more history, guys. And this is beautiful. So we are in what square? What?
Bay.
We are in Marant Bay, and this is the police station in Marant Bay. Alrighty. Police is at work. They are on duty. On our way to Reggae Fall, we just made the left turn, people. And I have been seeing a lot of fruit trees. And when I mean a lot, I mean a lot. Yeah, man.
To St. Thomas.
Whole heap, my people, whole heap.
This is one of the parish that people rely on farming.
Ackee tree there, full of. Yeah, my peeps, the ackee tree there right at the roadside. Just drop a seed and it grow. Full of ackee. So you know nobody no plant that, you know. You know, a seed drop and it grow, people. Wow. Full of jackfruit. So this is a jackfruit tree and it is loaded with jackfruit. See that, my peeps? Loaded with jackfruit. That's a bunch of jackfruit right there. I love jackfruit, you know. I couldn't see person who live over here, so I could have big one. Or it not ripe yet. Yo, the tree full of jackfruit, my people. Whoa. I can't see nobody if you beg them. Oh, it's not ripe yet. Oh. Oh. Beautiful scenery, people. Scenery. So you know I have to let you guys see this. Scenery.
That's how high we are.
Mm-hmm.
Way up in the hills.
Whoa. All the way up in the hill, people. All the way up in the hill.
Bird chirping. Strange sound.
So this is a sign saying welcome to Hillside. Welcome to Hillside. You notice the arrow where the arrow is pointing? So that's where we're going to turn, my peeps. So we're going to Hillside. So come along, man. I hope you not enjoy the journey, you know. Not enjoy the journey.
Sightseeing and all.
Yeah, man.
Hills and valley.
Ooh.
Coconut trees and jackfruit trees. Coconut trees and jackfruit tree. Make my wife motor run water.
Definitely. So this is Beef Hive, my people. So you know, so this is a honey, right? It's a lot of them. Let me zoom in real close. And we're still in Hillside, right? Yeah, man. So we are on the road going, my peeps. Who remember them something here? And them make one heap of noise in the backyard when we have do breakfast at morning time. You know, see them there, end them?
That's a rooster and a hen.
Oh, it's a rooster.
Black one.
The black one is the rooster?
That is two rooster. It's two rooster.
Yeah.
There's no hen there.
Oh, there's no hen. My bad, people, you see? And them make the whole heap of noise in the backyard when we have do breakfast. You see them, bossy? So that's a cool skill, people. Sorry I can't go really close for you guys to see it. But this is how them pack cool skill down here.
Yeah,
Because the top's supposed to high, right?
Yeah, everybody pack it different in different parish.
Oh.
There's a
Whoa.
culture thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see. So hope you guys see that. Hope I'll see a closer one where I can show you guys. But yeah, that's a cool skill.
Good afternoon, sir.
Well, sir, how are you doing today?
I am doing wonderful. You?
Okay, not bad at all.
I'm here to enjoy myself today. I hope I can do that.
Yeah, hopefully you will be able to.
You have the
Reggae Falls.
facility?
Huh?
You have the facility?
Reggae Falls?
Yeah?
Yes.
Come on, it's beautiful.
Okay, okay.
I'm sure you will.
Alright.
Okay.
That's all the makings of great enjoyment, you know.
Good, good.
Yeah, we have a small fee of $500.
Yes?
You have to do it.
No problem. Good maintenance and clean, right?
Right.
No
How much is it?
problem. Oh, that's good.
Okay. Enjoy. Well, you know, welcome to Reggae Falls. This is the highest waterfalls in Jamaica, and you know, very scenic, and you get pristine water falling from out the hill, uncontaminated, uninhabited above, you know, from out of the mountains, and it is filled with a lot of healing minerals within the water, and I'm sure it situates in the community where you know, the community as a whole is a very quiet community. People will feel very safe, and we are in the process of setting up what we call tent city, where when people come, they can come and camp out and enjoy the falls and those things, you know. So
Lovely.
but we are in a stage now of development, you know. Now that we have had the highway, we are anticipating higher traffic, which will generate more revenue to do the kind of expansion and development that we need. So, and we have all the necessaries that you would expect into a facility like this.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So this is Mr.
Antonio Porter. I am Antonio Porter. I am the manager of the facility.
Good, good. So anytime you guys come around here or come to Reggae Fall,
Yeah.
you would meet Mr. Antonio Porter.
Right.
So
And I
he-
can be reached at any given time at 876-321-6212.
Good, very good.
And people who want to come on trips and excursions and all those things, can contact.
So do you have food and beverage around here if they come, or they should carry their own?
At this point in time, people are free to take their their thing and they can come and cook out.
Oh,
But
okay.
going down the road in the future, when we set up properly, we'll be able to have those things in sale for everyone.
Alrighty. So you hear that, my peeps? So right about now it is under construction. Under a little construction. So yeah, man, I thank you, Mr. Antonio Porter, for that.
It was my pleasure.
All
Have a great
right.
trip, all right?
Say,
Enjoy.
thank you. Thank you. So there is the office. And you have a card. So they have to pull that card to let you in.
What I say?
Him say, okay. They are the river people, so we are hike it, go up to the fall. So babes go across.
Yes, me people. This is the crystal clear water. And I just tell you before, we are all the way in Morant Bay, St. Thomas. And we are at Reggae Fall. Okay, this is the beautiful, clean, pretty water rushing down from the hills. Look at the beautiful hills, my people. This is one of the beauty about Jamaica. And this is my wife.
I want to go all
try
the way.
to try to find our way, navigating through the water.
Yeah. Let me show you how clear and pretty the water is, my people. I eat that. Really clear and pretty. So we're making our way up to the fall right about now.
Yeah, but we have to find line and get some nice fish, dinner fish.
Dinner fish. And you know, so I carry two lovely fish, though, two snapper fish.
Same,
4 pound, you know, one way 2 pound and next one way 2 pound.
yeah,
We're going to roast that
okay,
with a rye planting.
yeah,
Never know.
okay.
Glad for the info, man.
Yeah,
There, my people are all a reason with Ross. And we animal go up at the fall.
far, yeah.
So I'm there and tell me something about the river now. Where's the Ross?
It come from, the head it come from Portland side.
Oh.
Portland, yeah. But coming down now, it get bigger and bigger. So down here, so now, well big, yeah, and broad, but up at the
We're having a beautiful sunny day and we are at the river. just to splash and dash and have some fun.
Yeah, sometimes it work and sometimes it
So we are making our way down to the river, my people.
yeah, man.
Water is so clear and pretty and crystal. Woo. From you see them a jump off them musky and swim, man. You know, so me not catch it. Them have to swim a long time. Hey, all of them can swim. Whoa. This is Jay when Jay small.
When you're ready. Go!
You know, so you have to can swim, but the water is pretty much pretty clear. See him there? I'll jump again. I should be on the other side.
Ready, get set, go! Where you at?
Jesus, now I have to give him something. Ain't good. You know Jay would do this though. Man, Jay would do this. Wow. That is the river, my people. We're going to the fall now. So you guys hear that noise? That noise is the fall. That is it, my people. Whoa. Reggae fall. Jesus peace. Woo. That's a little youth, you know, people. That's a little youth just jump from the high part, there, man. Let me not have to jump from this too.
Where?
Me have to jump.
I feel you scared.
He must swim from him at 4, so he can swim. Yeah, he can swim.
Show them the height.
So this is the height that he just jumped from. All the way up here, so. Come all the way down here.
And the gem is right behind you now.
The gem, yeah. The waterfall. All the
That's not Niagara Fall, but Reggae Fall.
our own Niagara Fall.
People, just a reminder, this is the highest fall in the island of Jamaica. We found it in the parish of St. Catherine. Sorry man, should me come from St. Catherine? Me think St. Catherine get all like glory. St. Thomas are my people.
Pretty to swim in, trust me. You're gonna want to swim in this, trust me. Yeah. Don't joke about it, my people. And there's a beautiful scenery behind it. There you go. You said the right here, so no Rasta.
Oh, it's a pump house. I like pump house to carry current but to Surge Island. Yeah, here from the but these was time a fear word here. But right now they have a cow them use out here. Yeah, so it's a pump house over here. So carry the current to right out to Surge Island. Yeah, but the rain come and from this side. Yeah.
So it is no more in operation.
No, yeah, apparition. So the water needs to come down in the iron.
Them pipe ya big man.
Yeah, right.
Whoa.
Oi.
Them pipe ya big Rasta.
What you say now about the
Oh,
water?
the pipe big man. Them pipe ya bigger than me head people. Two of them too, you know.
Yeah, man.
So the Rasta give me a little history, man.
I knew about yeah, man. I knew by side of your world, I know that it's going to have a
Pipe ya big, me people. Babes there want go into the water and thing. Yeah. People don't know we have to have a jelly in the bag, so look at the river. Look at the beautiful river. Look at the beautiful river. Whoa. I want to go right in this now. And there is the fall. Can you watch the bag, please? The bags. Are you seeing the bag? Can't wait to swim in. I just can't wait.
Going up to the farm of people. And as I said before, this is not Niagara Fall, this is Reggae Fall. This is another gem in Jamaica. Yeah man. I always complain that they always promote the beaches. but they don't show you these beautiful sights in Jamaica for you to come and enjoy. But nevertheless, Paul's Kitchen is doing that. Yeah, man. I will say enjoy me. Yep. Look at my people. Reggae fall. Woo! My wife is navigating her way up the park. So oh, that's a Jamaican and nice. Oh, that's a Jamaican and nice. Eh? Look at that, my people. Oh, that's a Jamaican and nice. Woo! 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 Oh, that's a Jamaican and nice. Woo! Woo! So that babe taking a pic for somebody. What a nice people. Yeah. What a nice. Alright, so picture here, look at.
I'm gonna take the picture.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at it. That's the fall, people. Reggae fall. Whoa. Oh, in gone over there. Oh. Okay. Nina venture to over there, so none at all. But one thing can swim it is okay. Nice man, the fall nice. Yeah, it was. The fall is really nice, people. Really nice. Woo.
The water is so pretty and clear. Wow. That is what I love with the water.
Yeah.
Really clean and pretty.
Everybody from there love
Whoa. And down here, never have so much persons, enough people. People are coming in. You see the place is full of rats?
Sometimes when you come here, you quick to go in the water, you have more people up here.
Really?
All when you see for August,
Yeah.
the August, pull up, run up the phone right down there.
Right. Whoa.
I'm going to people up there park them from.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Wow.
You know, people, man.
But must, because the water is really, really
Yeah.
pretty.
People from German, Russia, Chile.
All over.
All over. Yeah.
So lunchtime now, people. So we should have put the fish to thaw out from we come, but we just had do it. I don't think that is safe. I don't even think the jelly is safe.
Yes, man. You are washing the water, you go too fast. I like the fish.
So the jelly them there, people.
Well,
My husband pack it right in the water to keep it cool. That means when we finish eat, we have it to drink. When we put it in the seat, we will pack it to the stone.
yeah, I'm moving the fish.
So you put one more stone on it as well again.
Here, man. Make it more comfortable.
Okay. All right, and we are in the river. Woohoo! So we are going to start prepare with lunch now. Pinyami. Yes, sir.
There's a doubt.
I see some little strips of wood, so I don't think you have to go far to get any wood. But come see all zinc to people. This is what we're going to have with it. A roast plantain. Ripe roast plantain.
Boss coward sir, boss say she don't want the water to wash away the fish. So, after me put them to thaw out,
You don't trust the water, people.
she not trust the water none at all.
You don't trust the water with the fish then.
Should have ball if them swimming. Fish in the water then they must swim. So then thaw out properly.
Yeah, them good, but they have a line of fire them here.
But you take them out of the fire. Out of the water rather.
Them here nice. You can't take them out.
That one there here, one not true.
Yeah. And if you want to share,
What a good catch. What a good catch.
let me share it. Look at this. These things in his back. He's going to look here. This is a big fish, right? This is a 2 pound, 2 pound. So I'm turning up. Can you imagine something in the water? You like it? So bossy at it again, you know, people, lunchtime. Right near the river, my people. Where you look for? Strip, strip. What are those? Strip, strip? Crank, crank. Is that a different name now? Fire light up. Fire up in light, my people. Fire just got to blaze.
Alright, boss. Boss, I'll clean up the zinc. preparation is on the way.
Preparation of the freezer. I'm using a piece of ginger.
And we need
Peeling off a little piece of ginger.
sun is shining all it glow. Put it in our back.
That's where we go. Look, cut pan, it's not like this one. Have a garlic here, salt here.
People want to catch a color tabletop, you know. Catch a color tabletop. You know, Mr. Kitchen. Eh?
What's that?
Look at that.
Oh, Miss Kitchen and I don't miss backyard.
Yeah, tabletop, here, brother.
I'm not gonna lie.
So pretty.
I love it. I love the tabletop people. The countertop. Tabletop, whichever one.
Countertop, tabletop, I same thing like that.
Anything at all you want.
Yeah, man. I reach a Reggae river. Anything in the preparation are key.
Most definitely.
There's a process to get to the end.
Most definitely.
Preparation are key. Yeah, man.
You want to cook your ginger real fine. I'm not talking about all your season. I'm going to mince it up. You want it to be really fine. Oh, stop a bit.
Got my people right in the river there. I'm sure right in the river. Yeah. And we say excitement. We say creativity. Right in the river.
Preparation of the season for the fish. Oi. Yeah, finish with it. Continue. No, man. Make sure your own well stuff. This is it. One down, one more to go. I'm afraid I am not put all of the seasoning on your own. I'm like no seasoning left to me people.
You know, I don't understand how you arrive at which one is mine and which one is here.
because I bought them. So I bought the one that I like and I bought the one that you like.
Okay.
So I like dog teeth snapper. So this is a dog teeth snapper. So this is it, my people. We're going across now. Yeah. Full of British, right?
Yep.
Alright, we're going to allow them to roast now, my people. Although me prefer it nice fire, you know, but yeah, you can see where I go on now. Lunchtime. We not have a lunch in idea. Lunchtime, my people. You know, don't know from the swim, we now get hungry. And that we just do. Swim, and we check out the fall, and the fall was
Wonderful.
yeah,
Amazing.
very amazing. Amazingly
Awesome.
good. So yeah, cook up some lunch with me. Yeah, man. So where's the planting? Oh, it not finished yet.
If I look on it.
It's a go on with itself. In this. So babes, I look the plate. How much is that? 2? Look what I just find, a baby pumpkin. It's not ready as yet though. Bone you. River full up now, people. When we just came, it didn't have a lot of crowd. Now it has a lot. Later go wash as usual, my people.
Makeshift plate. Stir the one I jelly did it.
Repeat that again.
Stir the one I jelly. Yeah.
Two of them have to do it. Because me not share mine. Huh? It can't be my one gun because I you set it. So from I you set it, I you response for it. So if one gun leave one, the one we gone are your own. You see the one we left are my own. Who agree with me? Because if it was me who set it, it would have got the same way. But anyways, we would have shared it, guys. Fish done, my people. Hello, what kind of style that? Hello, what kind of style that? What kind of style that?
Style and style can't spoil.
Lunchtime, my people. Lunchtime. So, you know, City and me alone love them life here. Roast fish and roast plantain. So, you not tell the people where you are yam for your lunch. So, you are yam and yam. You can't talk, look at him fish.
But I think we not tell us me bad on this.
Who fry about bad pandis? No, sir.
This I like, you know. Natural vibes. That me tell you, say, you put all the water jelly beside you now. And scream me and scream out there. Eh? Let me tell you something, but me good for that, man. Me good for that, you know. So me a roast and you a boiler. Yeah, people. Now me and my one now, you know. Because I don't like it cold. And with that. So why not lift up here?
Nice
Proper roast fish like here.
proper roast.
Eh?
Cook flesh.
Proper roast fish like.
Flesh. If you ever drop out nerves, I make me cry. Any home, this drop, me cry.
Lucky.
Yeah.
So you know when the fish proper roast, when the bone can left with flesh. Yeah. Now my one me I deal with no brother. I deal with my one bilious. See there? Deal with my one bilious. And these are come. Go on, where you go? Maybe you can come. You know stop and hive this morning.
Okay. Nice. People come out, I pick them and drop them from all. on the flesh, oh, it's white and pretty and well roast. Then if this jack me no must cry,
Why boss?
me must ball. You
Oh wow.
find myself me I see that on the people. Right, okay. Then let me recite right here.
So when it done, we not see it alright?
Yeah. Warm with your belly over there. And then we swim again. Whoa. So you have planting, can give me?
Why? Go call it back here, go call it back. Go call it back.
Why you not eat planting? You want to give me it? My one done. You can give me the rest of yours. Why I save it? Now look up, it's a planting the way left. Oh God. Please. Anyways, I'm going to finish eating my food here. Before my fish get cold. Sun is shining, it's a beautiful day. Icy cold jelly. You're not removing the other one? You're brave. Anyway, I know I might want you to chop first though, cause so yeah, because you remove one and leave the other one. I wonder why. You can't get any cooler. Boss, you know, we chop jelly and I try a thing with people. That's my one. Ooh, you're a darling. You look like you have jelly.
Can you find out? Can you find out? People, that's all she wants, you know, to her. All she wants somebody to serve her.
I'm going to serve you.
Yes, man, you go vice versa. See? You can't drink my one now.
Lunch was good. So this has complete our lunch for today. Nice refreshing jelly water. Is it sweet? Your one sweet? Lord Jesus. It's sweet?
Yeah, I guess that's it.
Woo!
These are nice, nice.
Yes, your belly. You need to do something about your belly, brother.
Natural. So good, so refreshing.
So refreshing, people. Reggae. Reggae river. The water is so clear and pretty. And people may go feed some fish. Some live fish in the water. May go feed them with them here. And these are the result of the fish. Jelly time. Time to name the jelly. Your belly well full.
No KFC, no McDonald's, no Burger King. Only Palace Kitchen.
Only in Palace Kitchen.
You give me this, you give me that. You give me this, you give me that, and get this, you can perhaps now. What happened in the fish?
You shake your legs.
Championship.
You stamp your feet and not shake your legs.
And music up here, you shake your leg. When too nice, you stamp your feet.
Okay, I get you.
People, as she said, anything she do, she do it extra. So she got right nice see there now. Rather river. R4.
Hey, deep. Here, you must say deep. Eh? And then we want to chuck her, but they not chuck her. It sting you. My boss them there go jump, brother. Them no ramp for jump. Heavy. Yeah. Hold on, this story, right? You're so shallow. Come swim, babes. Come swim. Me notice you avoid this, so you know. Me notice you avoid. You avoid this, so. And he can't swim. All doggy. Stand up. In a deep. Come in here, Michael, brother. Come in here, Michael. But him going at the Michael and swim cross. All him going at it. See him go stand up there so they know. Babe, me need to come get me swim, you know. Yeah. I want him carry me come show me around this, you know, so I want to come swim in the water here. But oh, another water crystal clear.
Okay. You see, first you walk it there, you say, no man, this don't look right. You step in the south, step in the other.
Big fish? Him catch big fish? We're ready to go around at the part now. Where am I going to show me the pool part? Yeah. So this is behind the fall. See you man them out there, so? You can't even see them. You can't even see them. The thing's moving, but that part you not enticing though.
Scary.
Yeah man, that part you look.
Scary.
But babes, you can go and chop her up there, so you know, him say you can go up there, so. Eh? Yes, you look ice.
Not for you.
Water? Oh, eh? You can go and get another back. We're going there now, but we're not going to the left side. Come now and come with me. Eh? Yeah, you can go on it. You're not going to jump from this stuff. Oh, you? Machimba. Yeah, that's looking jump out. I'm not climbing. Go! Make him get up here, make him. Come, come. They are going to make him get up. Make him, oh, him now going in full.
Full too. Oh, the same, yeah. Look how much they are saying start here.
One, waiting. Red eye to my road. Go. Eh? You catch fish? Let me see fish them where you catch. I'm not catch nothing in the pan. Nothing in there. Bombat. Nothing in it for sure. Just go on. Go on, have faith, you catch something. You up the same go? Oh, with the little tiki them where they catch. So round at the next part where we go, we'll leave a fish supposed to in that down. Oh. Oh, so nobody now going there so we disturb them, so them in there so for real. We'll leave a big one supposed to in there.
Right down. Right down the road, swim one.
Yes, right down the water, I carry him.
Right down the chip
Because
next week.
it look, no, we are going different river. A different.
Let me see if the girl stand up in there today.
Look, girl. I'm boy, I'm not a fan. Fan up.
I check that. You go to still.
In no deep. In no deep at all. You look deep? So another part here is the little girl stand up in. Eh? They can't swim, they come from the area, they know how to swim. And then swim go touch you know? Swim go touch him, let me see. Them used to the area.
Alright.
No, he can't get it.
It's not deep, you know? We don't feel say deep. It's not deep, I don't feel say deep. River full. Mm-hmm. Wow. Wow. Yes. Cause him not here. That are the only thing. Yes, but not because him can't swim. I am afraid same way. Gone all the way.
Jump first, I'm up.
Yeah, man, he jumping giant out. He not jig down deep. Him not go far. Him not go far. Him not go far. In generally, him not go far. Him not go far. I up in the air and flick. Him not go far.
Flick on out.
Him are the bravest one, you know, that little one. Yeah,
No, me I try out.
yeah, boy, my jam. Alright. That me nephew them would have do, you know. Pay back flick. Boom. So something.
Yeah. Look at the fire.